Thank you for purchasing the Spirit bathroom chair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Spirit bathroom chair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, lift out and set aside all the various components of the chair. Packaged with the seat, you'll find some printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly of your bathroom chair. To attach the legs to the seat, drop them into the designated grooves on the underside of the seat. You'll want to make sure that the push pin is facing inwards and can pop through the designated hole. Repeat this process on all three legs. To adjust the height of the Spirit bathroom chair, use the pushpin height adjustments. Using the holes for reference, make sure that all the legs are at an even level. This will avoid the seat from wobbling or spilling. Your Spirit bathroom chair should now be fully assembled and ready for use. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Spirit bathroom chair or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.